PsyTricks presents 5 steps how to get rich from nothing. There are secrets on how to get rich, and if you take the time to learn them, you too could put yourself on the right path to building wealth. Business owners and entrepreneurs are well positioned to build their wealth and get rich. However, we're not talking about how to get rich quick scheme. Most self-made millionaires have built their wealth through their business. Smart business owners understand that revenue doesn't dictate your wealth, but profit does. And the higher the profit margins are in your business, the more money you will keep in your pockets as the owner. The first step, money mindset, is everything. You need to have a positive money mindset when it comes to creating wealth. Everyone carries a money story, and it's your job to understand what yours is and if it's holding you back. Reframing your story to a millionaire's mindset is essential for success, because rich people think differently. How to get rich can be a passing phase in your life. It takes work and commitment. The second step, millionaires still budget. Hard to believe, but it's true. Even millionaires follow a budget. The biggest secret on how to get rich and stay rich is spending less than you bring in. There will always be wants that exceed budget limits, even for millionaires, because there isn't an unlimited supply of money.
Guys, if you find this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. I'll appreciate it for that. Thank you.
The third step, money management, is key. Good money management is so important to get rich and stay rich. Money management is a behavior and habit. You need to be mindful of where you are investing and spending your money. There is a specific strategy to growing your wealth and maintaining it, and you must follow it like you do a workout regime. The fourth step, invest your money for growth. Investing in assets that will appreciate over time and provide you with a return on your investment, such as dividend or interest payments, is smart. The goal is to build your asset portfolio and make it so strong that you can live off the passive income in your retirement. And the last step, create multiple income streams. Smart business owners create more than one income stream, as it protects them from fluctuations in the market. That means if one source of revenue dries up due to market conditions, other sources of income can protect you from a loss. The bottom line is that knowing how to get rich is something that is learned. There are no guarantees that if you start a business that you will get rich, because even the best business ideas fail due to poor execution. But if you educate yourself and get help in making your business a success, you will increase your chances of success. Guys, I hope this video was useful to you and you learned new ideas. Share your opinion about this topic in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.